Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's take a look at gold. Actually, I'm doing this recording for the 12th, for the 12th of let's say February. So on the 13th, which is on Monday, we would want to know where gold will be moving to. I've done weekly analysis on gold. If you've not checked it, you can watch it out. Now let's go to the daily time frame. You can clearly see that this gold is actually dropping, right? One of the reasons why we are having a drop on our gold is because DXY is actually giving us a bullish move. So we would actually see this to be an impulse move. This correction, during this time we are having this correction, I'm sure you guys must have watched it, how I actually made this movement, especially on the 4 hour time frame, how we had this ice, a new ice, another ice, and then another ice. If you were my subscriber, you should definitely know how I got that movement. Now this price is actually dropping. So one thing I'll be expecting or watching out for is another drop right on this gold, right? So we still have more drop to be made. Now let's go to the 4 hour time frame, guys. So one thing I see on this 4 hour time frame is kind of like a correction which has tapped this moving average. I'll be expecting another drop on this gold, right? So that is what I'm watching out for. At least gold to give close bearish. It just depends. I can't really predict how gold will move. But one thing I would want to see, or one thing I think I'm sure of, is that gold should actually give us a bearish move for Monday. That is what I am watching out for. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to my Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link in this comment section below. All you just have to do is click on the link, become my Patreon subscriber, so you'll be able to get access to some of the trade we'll be taking. You see one of the trade that we'll be taking for this week. If you are interested, like I said, this channel is high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning the trade, not just any trade, but quality trade of high probability of winning such trade. That is what I'll be putting out here. With just 20 USD, I can show you are going to get a better trade. So this is one of the trade we'll be looking at straight for the week. Another one we'll be looking at is WTI. You can see it for February on Monday. This is the we'll be watching. This is what we'll be watching out for. Another trade we'll be looking out for is Nasdaq 100. We want to know where this movement will be moving when the markets open. So basically, if you're interested in any of this trade, become my Patreon subscriber. And I'm also going to be putting more trade in this channel. Maybe once I get a proper setup or better setup, I'm actually going to put it so you will be able to trade it with us.